Hello guys, welcome back to AutoZag channel. The wait is finally over. Yamaha has officially unveiled the all-new 2025 XSR 300, and it's everything retro motorcycle lovers have been dreaming of, and more. Blending classic design with cutting-edge technology, the XSR 300 is set to become one of the most talked-about middleweight bikes of the year. Inspired by Yamaha's rich heritage and modern performance standards, the new XSR 300 fills the gap for riders who crave vintage aesthetics without sacrificing modern capabilities. At first glance, the 2025 Yamaha XSR 300 captivates with its retro-inspired look: round LED headlamp, teardrop fuel tank, minimalistic tail section, and brushed aluminum accents. But don't be fooled by its nostalgic appearance. This bike is packed with modern-day performance features. Under the hood, or rather under the tank, lies a peppy 292 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine borrowed and refined from the MT-03 platform, delivering around 35 horsepower. It's agile, lightweight, and fun, perfect for both city cruising and backroad adventures. Yamaha has paid special attention to rider comfort and control with this model. The upright seating position, wide handlebars, and lightweight chassis make it ideal for beginners and experienced riders alike. Whether you're navigating through urban traffic or carving canyon roads, the XSR 300 feels responsive and stable. The suspension setup includes 37mm upside-down front forks and a monoshock rear, absorbing bumps while maintaining firm control. And yes, dual-channel ABS comes standard. Safety and style go hand in hand. Technologically, the XSR 300 is no slouch either. It features a sleek LCD digital display that gives you all the vital information at a glance, while the LED lighting system enhances visibility and aesthetics. Yamaha also offers optional accessories like a cafe racer seat cowl, side bags, and a retro fly screen, making customization easy and exciting. This isn't just a bike, it's a canvas for self-expression. One of the most appealing aspects of the 2025 Yamaha XSR 300 is its accessibility. Weighing in at around 375 pounds, wet, it's incredibly manageable for new riders. The seat height of approximately 31.1 inches strikes a balance between comfort and confidence for a wide range of rider heights. Combined with its predictable throttle response and low-end torque, the XSR 300 is a confidence booster for anyone looking to get into motorcycling or to downsize from a heavier ride. Now, let's talk about price. Yamaha is expected to release the 2025 XSR 300 in the US market with a starting MSRP of approximately $5,499. That places it in direct competition with bikes like the Honda CB300R and KTM 390 Duke, but Yamaha's unique blend of retro charm and practical performance gives it a unique edge. It offers tremendous value for riders looking for a stylish, affordable, and reliable machine. In conclusion, the 2025 Yamaha XSR 300 is more than just a new motorcycle. It's a bold statement that retro doesn't have to mean outdated. With its authentic styling, modern engineering, and approachable performance, this bike is poised to become a new favorite in Yamaha's sport heritage lineup. Whether you're a daily commuter, a weekend rider, or simply a fan of timeless design, the XSR 300 delivers a ride that speaks to the soul. So, what do you think? Is this the retro modern machine you've been waiting for?